up on the AR, how you did that? Track out, lift up when you take off, how you did that?
Guess how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that?
I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that?
You got face stones and over watch you, how you did that?
You hit some skeletons in your closet, why you did that?
How you yelling slash slash, how I kill a cat, yeah. Hopping around in a tutu, make big pillows in the back. Too many rounds in the Philly, acting someone gon' get wet. How you gon' get more when you still on me, how you gon' do that?
Snatch the Ruger bag, give a nigga a yak attack. I get my shooter whack, eating cheese and that's the rat. It ain't nighttime but your tango, how you do that shit? Me and Gunna fuck the single, how you do that bitch? Shit, I catch up on the AR, how you did that? Check out, lift up when you take off, how you did that?
You put switches on all your blinkies, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that?
I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that?
You got face stones and over watch you, how you did that?
You hit some skeletons in your closet, why you did that?
They hit your man, you ain't get no straightening, how you live with that? She fucked the hood, how you lay and have a kid with that? My jello go to a special who go, yeah, I did that. Kick more shit than judo, and she like, I
How
did
you get that shit, you got a man on your hoe. Let me back sit, bitch, I'm too rich to drive a road. Hold my shit like plumber, me and Gunna diamond flesh. I'm gon' ball out so much, just all grinding for a month. Lil' hop out, dump shit, I catch up on the AR, how you did that? Check out, lift up when you take off, how you did that?
You put switches on all your blinkies, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that?
I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that?
You got face stones and over watch you, how you did that?
You hit some skeletons in your closet, why you did that?
She be with this shit, she told me where he be, I say for sure. Baby, let me know if you wanna eat. She like, Vaughn, you already know, just put your girl on fleek. I'm like, cool, I can do that, boo. What you want, some shoes? Jimmy Choo, with a handbag too. Red up, baby, boo, she get the smile. She ain't used to this, she ain't used to shit. I'm just laughing, could've been a pimp, the way I move my lips. I be speeding, could've been the driver, the way I push the whip. You a hoe, could've been a bitch, the way you throw a bitch. But fuck that, right back to the script, cause this a major league. He got bricks, plus his neck and icy, and it matches wrist. Now it's like 6. Told her hit his phone, meet her in the whip, but he ain't go. But he ain't that slow, say meet him at the store. I'm like, cool, let him run his move. Do what he gon' do, cause this the plot. Put him in a pot, let it cook like stew. I grab my Glock, if it do a lot, but it's this